Guess what's on the menu today? Fish from Lake Victoria, cooked right here in the village, from the basin to the frying pan. Let me show you how we turn this fish into something golden, crispy and delicious. Let's get started.
Winfrey's Kitchen!
Once the fish is caught, the first step is to clean it thoroughly. We start by removing the scales. This makes the fish smooth, easier to season, and it cooks better too. Next, remove the gill covers. This can trap dirt and hold onto strong fishy odors, so taking them off makes the fish cleaner, fresher, and better in tasting. Then we remove the innings in the gut, clean the gut, and wash the fish in plenty of clean water until nice and fresh. Next, we trim off the fins. This makes the fish easier to handle, more presentable on the plate, and ensures it cooks evenly without burning the edges. After that, we wash the fish with plenty of clean water until it's fresh and ready. Now, depending on the size, you can cut it into 3 pieces or leave the fish whole. Cutting helps it cook faster and makes serving easier. After that, we make incisions on the side of the fish. This helps the fish cook evenly, allows heat to penetrate, and lets salt and flavor to go deep inside the fish. Next, we wash it again and sprinkle with salt. Salt doesn't just add flavor, it also helps firm up the fish and reduces excess moisture. Once salted, we place the fish on a rack to let out extra water to drip off. Drying is important because it prevents oil splashes and makes the fish fry crispy and golden brown. Now to the fun part, frying. Today we are cooking over firewood for that rich, smoky flavor. In a frying pan, heat enough oil until nice and hot. Then carefully place the fish into the frying pan piece by piece. Be gentle so that the oil doesn't splash, and let the fish cook slowly until the bottom side turns golden brown and crispy. Once the other side is ready, it's time to flip the fish. Turn each piece carefully and allow the other side to fry until also golden brown and perfectly cooked through. The aroma right now is absolutely mouth-watering. Once both sides are perfectly cooked, remove the fish from the pan, and just like that, our crispy golden village-style fried fish is ready to enjoy. You can eat it as is, serve it with ugali, rice or plantain, or use it to make another recipe like fish stew. Tell me in the comments, how do you like your fish? Is it fried, stewed, grilled, or smoked? I'd love to know, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun, tasty, and traditional recipes from my kitchen to yours. Bye!